Hey guys, what's happening? Frankie here. All right, I hope you had a nice weekend. Today is Monday, where I am in Sydney, Australia. And, as usual, I'm going to take you through my journey, my progress in these different investment programs and HIPs or whatever you want to call them. And today, I wanted to have a bit of fun. So, today, I've decided to go and have a look at some HIPS programs. Okay, so if you don't know what HIPS programs are, let's have a look here. HIP, a high yield investment program, is a type of Ponzi scheme, an investment scam that promises unsustainably high return on investment by paying previous investors with the money invested by new investors. Okay, so that's a Ponzi scheme basically. Now, the funny thing is, there is some sites, supposedly third-party sites, that actually monitor whether or not the HIPs are legit. Okay, so I found this one here. It's called wholehipmonitor.com. So let's say you're a newbie, you don't know anything about investing your money into HIP programs. You come here thinking that it's a legit platform and you're going to be like, oh, okay, yes, I'm going to check out some stable websites. So let's see the most stable programs. One, citybuildtrade.com. Let's have a look. All right. citybuildtrade.com. Paying. Added to database 2014, so you might be thinking, whoa, been running for 6 years now. Crazy. Let's have a look. Let's click on citybuildtrade.com. Okay, website looks like shit. Let's build a future together. Whoa. Citybuildtrade is renowned leader in gas. Like, can't you just fix the formatting? Seriously? I'm going to invest money. I'm going to put some money into this. Like, who are you guys? Is there any about me section? Like, FAQ. All right, FAQ. Maybe I'm going to be reassured and I'm going to feel like I can invest my money. How can I invest? To make a investment? Oh, nice. You must first become a member. Oh, what a shock. Once you sign up again, but who are you? Like, why should I trust you? Like, hello, what the fuck? All right, let's move on. And that's one of the most stable programs, right? Actually, that's the most stable. Let's have a look at the number 2, $bill.biz. $bill.biz. I like the name already. 2015, been running for almost 5 years. Crazy stuff. Let's have a look at $.biz to see. Oh my god. The fuck is that? I could make this website in like 30 seconds. $.biz is an secure and profitable investment platform but like okay, that's it. So this content here is gonna be so strong, the copy here is so strong that $.biz is the best choice for people willing to achieve. Please, come on guys, let's be serious. So that's the number 2. Okay, where is the number 3? Fondsbroker.com. I'm expecting something a bit better, right? Fondsbroker.com. Who are they? 2015, 5 years. Ooh, I feel really confident about that one. Oh my, are you kidding me? Are they using the same fucking template? Really? Like, and they want me to invest my hard-earned money? Our program is intended for people willing to achieve the financial freedom. Let's see here. No, of course that's not the same people, right? It's not the same people at all. $Bill is the best choice for people willing to achieve the financial freedom. Fonds broker, blah, 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 achieve the financial freedom. They didn't even bother changing up the text and the content, So these guys are scammers. This is shit. This is shit. That's shit, okay? Guys, be extremely careful online. These so-called whole heap monitors, what they do is, yes, they collect the money from those companies to promote them. All right, and these companies are all shitty companies, all of them. All right, let's go to number 10, clickfinance.com. All right, added to the database a few months ago, actually 2020. Click Finance. Let's see if they use the same template or not. Website looks a bit more developed. There is an About Me section. About us. Who are you guys? I'm excited. Woo! Okay. The goal is to build sustainable blah blah blah. We do not give them practical promises. Blah blah blah. We give you some guarantee. You only safe and secure in our bank. We're bank security. Blah 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 blah. I don't really care. But guys, you should be extremely careful online when you look at different websites, especially websites comparing, or websites telling you that they're getting paid by HIPS programs, or websites that tell you that these are the most stable programs. Be extremely careful, okay? And we can even try another one. Let's go to top paying HIP. Oh my god, these are the same guys. Fondsbroker.com. That the same shitty guys. Fondsbroker.com. Okay. Number 2, donabill.com. Now, do you think these two companies are the same companies? And do you think that they could be behind some of the shitty looking websites here? Of course, yes. Of course. Now, compare these shitty programs here, fondsbroker.com. Compare this, okay, with something like, okay, it's opening, all right. Compare this template and this content, really rich content. Compare the shitty stuff with Gangot. I mean, they shouldn't even be put in the same sentence, really. I mean, it's a different league altogether, right? Like, I shouldn't even put them in the same fucking tab, you know? We close this shit, close this shit, close this shit, and close that shit. Gangot. Okay, so Gangot is basically one of the many programs I've had my eyes on for the last few weeks. Started to invest in Gangot, as you know. Let's log in and see my progress. Basically, today being Monday, I'm going to put that in Spanish. Today being Monday, I've been paid a bit more. I invested $1,000. Okay, English, please. Getting paid around 1% every day, so can range from 0.5 to 3% every day. All right, and basically the website is pretty new. They're still updating the website because it was in pre-launch for a few weeks, so they haven't fully rolled out the whole website yet. But with this site, what happens is you put some money in, and then Monday to Friday, every single day of the week, you earn between 0.5 and 3%. Okay, you don't have to do anything at all. You don't need to recruit people. You don't need to, I mean, you can if you want to. You can build your team, but you don't have to. Okay, and be completely passive. And every week you can. So I've got $26 here because I just started a few days ago. I can withdraw when I get $200, and I can withdraw every Monday or Tuesday, reaching my account on Thursday, right? So plugging along, that's a pretty good investment, I'm hoping. The key, as you know, is to diversify, as I was explaining yesterday, diversify into different long-term programs, long-term platforms. And I'm looking at different other ones that are pretty good, like CashFX and some others, but Okay, I've got some rules, and you can watch some of my previous videos about some rules I set to myself. And basically one of the rules is I like to get in early with cache FX. Feel like I missed the boat, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna still go in at this stage, but we'll see. Kangots, working fine. I will keep you updated, guys. Thank you, and I will speak to you tomorrow. Take care.